How do I start making investments? Investing is important for all, but for beginners it is always a hard decision to make. Smart investing for beginners. Know yourself and improve knowledge. Know your resources. Start small and grow your investments gradually. Take investment advisors on board. Factors to consider while investing. See growth prospects. Analyze risk and create portfolio. Start by making fixed income and short-term investments. Invest in liquid assets or cash equivalents. Recommended books to read. Read the complete article. If you are watching on YouTube, the article link and the recommended book links are given in the description. Enjoy happy reading.